especially now that I've got the aerial view. I can really see the unevenness on the shoulder blades.
Yeah.
Might be a little sore here. What's that?
What are you trying to say?
She might react. Yeah, watch out. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Nice pops there too. I don't know if you were able to hear that or not. All I heard was Where are you guys out of?
Somerville.
Okay.
Heard that from here.
Nice there too. One, two, three. That's those shoulder blades I was talking about.
Yeah.
Very good there. Very good in the hip. Alright, let's just rotate her around. Good. How are you doing today?
Good.
Good. I'm Dr. Harden. Who are you?
Maylin.
You're what?
Maylin.
Mailing. Nice to meet you. I'm not worried about this.
Really?
Yeah, I think that'll be more cosmetic than anything else.
Oh, okay.
What we're seeing is more secondary to
Uh-huh.
whatever happened before,
Right.
but this is not something I'm worried about.
Oh, okay.
One, two, three. Good. Good. Let me see. And we're just going to back up in this corner right here. Let me get out of your way then.
Get over.
You better watch it. I've been working all day, girl.
Get over here, 2-year-old.
Ain't like you been swimming.
I feel like
Been swimming?
I go to swimming lessons.
And
Okay.
then she comes back and gets in the swimming pool.
I see who's boss around here.
Mm-hmm.
I'm the boss of everything now.
That's it.
Well, at least you know it, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's the bad.
Relax. relax, relax, relax. Don't do it. Good. Nice. Very nice there.
Mm-hmm.
I get hurt a little bit. Nice licking chew there. Easy, easy, easy.
You are. Let's do it now. I'm gonna let him chill like
Oh, girl.
that. Maybe.
There you go.
If he does, you're paying to get this thing back from you. Because he could tear down this whole thing. And here is a scary
There we go. I'm pleased with this one. As far as the hip